Solve x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0 by completing the square. So this is the equation, x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. So the first thing to do when we tackle about completing the square, so if this equation, if you encounter ang equation niya is in standard form, or ang quadratic equation is in standard form, so ang constant atong ibalhin sa right side first, which is kani negative 9. So matabo mo ni siya x squared minus 8x equals 9. Then after that, ang kaning x squared minus 8x, we're going to obtain the new constant. Kung pilay constant diri sa left side, mao po na itong i-add diri sa right. Okay? So maana na siya x squared minus 8x, then plus, so this is a known, we'll make it blank, so that is equals 9 plus blank. Okay, so how are we going to obtain the last term here sa left side? So ang imong buhaton, first we're going to identify the coefficient of the middle term. So ang coefficient sa middle term, that is negative 8, then mo na itong buhaton, tangan na to na siya parenthesis. So negative 8 over 2, or negative 8 divide siya sa 2, then squared. Then at the same time, we're going to write again kung sa itong gisuot sa left, maput sa right. So that is negative 8 over 2 squared. Then x squared minus 8x, then plus, so negative 8 over 2, that is negative 4. So negative 4 squared, that is negative 4 times negative 4, that is 16. Positive siya. So equals 9 plus 16. Then after that, so may mo siyang x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 25. So as you have noticed, ang kaning equation sa left side, nahimo siyang murag, dili lang jud murag, no? Nahimo gyud siyang perfect square trinomial. Okay? So ang perfect square trinomial, if we're going to factor that one, that is, it's either sum or difference of squares. Okay? Now, if this pattern kani siya, sorry. So if this pattern is like this, no? So ang atong buhaton is we're going to put the negative here. Kung ang pattern sa operation or ang operator, so una ang minus then plus, that is minus. Pero kung puro plus, that is plus, imo ibutang dere. Then how are we going to obtain the first and the second terms inside the parentheses? So among buhaton, we're going to square the first term. So ang square root sa x squared, that is x. Then atong i-square root ang last term, which is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. So pwede mo na ito na i-check kung sakto ba, no? So x squared, then i-multiply ang tulo to obtain the middle term. So x times negative 4, that is negative 4x, times 2, that is negative 8x. Then kaning negative 4 na square, that is positive 16. So sakto ra ang pagpuruma na to from perfect square trinomial to difference of squares. So that is equals 25. After that, we're going to square root na sad both sides of the equation. So mobalik na sad ta sa katong extracting square roots. So the square root of x minus 4 squared, that is x minus 4, then equals, nimo siyang plus minus the square root of 25, then x minus 4 equals, so square root of 25 is 5, then plus minus 5. Okay, so ana na siya. So we're going to split into 2. So una is x minus 4 equals 5, and the second is x minus 4 equals negative 5. So transpose na to ni kaning first equation. So x equals 5 plus 4, x equals 9. So this is the first value of x. And the second value, transpose, x equals negative 5 plus 4, x equals negative 1. So we have two values of x equals 9 and x equals negative 1 using using the method of completing the square. Okay?